If you want to slide a mass from point A to point B, what shape of ramp will get it there the fastest? This is known as the problem of fastest descent.
Common sense, you might say, take the shortest path. Straight line from A to B.
But if you bend the ramp down a bit at the beginning, well, the mass accelerates to a higher speed earlier, so even though it travels slightly farther, it travels faster and beats the straight ramp. So the question is, what shape provides the perfect balance of acceleration and path length to minimize travel time? According to Galileo, it was the arc of a circle. He showed that this is faster than any polygon. But is it the fastest? Nearly 60 years later, in June of 1696, Johann Bernoulli set this problem as a challenge to the best mathematicians in the world.
Mainly because he's a big show-off, and he wants to show that he's better than all of them.
He gave everyone 6 months to come up with solutions, but none were submitted. So Gottfried Leibniz, a friend of Bernoulli's, persuaded him to extend the deadline to give foreigners a chance.
And I think Newton was probably the intended target, because everybody thought of him as the best, and so Johann would have wanted to show that he was better than Newton. He was no longer really active mathematician or physicist. He was working as the warden of the mint, like a big high government position.
And on the 29th of January, 1697, Newton returned home after a long day at work to find Bernoulli's challenge in the mail. Irritated, he wrote, "I do not love to be dunned and teased by foreigners about mathematical things." But the problem was too enticing, so Newton spent the rest of the day and night on it, and by 4 a.m. he had come up with a solution, something that took Bernoulli 2 weeks. Newton submitted his solution to the journal Philosophical Transactions.
He sent his solution there but didn't sign it, and Johann Bernoulli, after seeing the solution, is alleged to have said, "I recognize the lion by his claw,